Turn on or turn off recommended app in recent settings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, click on settings app, go back, click on phone app, go back, click on Play Store app, go back, and click on this icon. After click on this icon, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in recent settings, you will see recommended apps is here. If you want to turn off recommended apps, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see recommended apps is turn off. If you want to turn on recommended apps, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see recommended app is turn on. You will turn on or turn off recommended apps from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can manage recommended app in recent settings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.